Hey guys, it's Ava,
Sophia,
and Thomas.
and today we're going to be doing a slime package review. I hope you like this video, comment, and subscribe, and make sure to click the notification bell.
and hit the bell.
To get notified
again.
whenever we post.
Yeah. Okay, so let's get started.
Because there might be special stuff. I don't know if we will ever do special stuff.
Okay,
Yeah.
so here's this candle. I think this is an extra, and this is an amazing extra. Like, I've seen these, and they're very expensive because they're homemade.
And by the way, it's a candle.
And then next thing is just this crazy Aaron thinking putty, and it is a strange attractor, the magnetic one. So we are probably going to be doing a review on
Stick
this.
magnetic.
And we are probably going to do a review on this and some other crazy Aaron.
And here's Crazy Aaron.
Okay, next we just have these pop-up Hello Kitty stickers, so thank you so much for these. We have another extra, which is this squishy, and this is a really good extra.
I like the
And-
homemade packet.
Yeah, the homemade
There's
packaging.
stickers on the back.
And,
tape.
it's,
And this is really good for an extra.
and it's a really squishy look.
It's really good for an extra because it's like really squishy.
You need to put another squishy in it.
It is a little bit defected, but it is an extra. Okay, so to start off with the package, we just got this white slime, and let me just take it out for you guys. It's really good and stretchy. Wow.
Oh.
Wow, look at that.
Okay, so
Oh.
there's the slime. It is so stretchy and so amazing. Sorry.
Oh, and I.
Our platform is not that good for this video.
I see your cat eye.
Hi.
Okay,
Meow.
so this is an amazing slime for this package. Wow.
Very sticky.
Okay, so
Oh, no.
Sophia,
No, the camera.
the package.
Oh my god. Sorry.
Sorry for the bad quality.
Sorry.
But this is only our second YouTube video, so
So don't be mad at us.
yeah, like don't hate that saying. This video is such bad quality.
We're
Like,
trying our best.
and this is only our second video, so
We'll be better in the future.
That's better.
hopefully be
Kind
better.
of.
Yeah, hopefully.
Okay, so next, I just
this
have
one.
this sky blue,
Hey, my
and
eye.
there's silver stripes in it.
Wait,
Wow.
there is? Oh, yeah.
Like, so,
Kind of.
not stripes, but
Look
sparkles.
at that.
It's really stretchy.
It's not too
I could
sticky.
feel the sparkles.
It's not too sticky.
and it's really stretchy. I can
Wow.
tell this was made with
This one's like my favorite.
no borax, which I don't like
It
slime
was
with
made
borax.
with love.
Okay,
Wow.
so here is just the slime. It's so good, and
Goodbye,
it's so good. Like, that's all I'm saying. It's just so good.
It's just.
Comment below
It
what
feels
video
like
we
you
should do
get it
next.
stuck on your hand and you don't realize.
Okay, there we go.
Ooh,
It's
I have a
cold
keyboard.
and nice.
So the thing is that I like a little bit more like soft slimes, and
Yeah.
once you like squish the slime, it gets like hard.
But I like that it's kind of cold.
Squishy.
Well, I'll send it like that. Okay. So the last
Squishy
thing
and this
in
squishy.
this package is this. This is called the Ball of Fluff on her website. I think you should go check her website down
Ball of fluff.
below, because it's a ball of fluff and it's so
Wait, did we do this one yet?
cool.
It's
Yeah,
real-
we did.
It's not that
That's why it's on the
stretchy,
table.
but it's still stretchy.
Okay, we'll put it.
Okay,
Wait,
so
did we do it?
I don't know.
it's like not that stretchy, but it's like a putty, but it's not.
It's like a really soft and easy to play putty.
Okay. There's the putty. And
Oh, it's
yeah,
really soft.
this is also
Very
like a sky blue. I like her coloring. Except the white one is actually a nice white. It's like a grayish white. It's very weird. And that's the end of our video.
Oh, it is? Oh. Okay.
I hope you liked it, and
Make sure
sorry
to
for the
press
bad
that
quality.
button.
Comment
Down below what video
Oh,
you want us to do next. We're probably going to do a room tour or
behind the scenes.
like a behind the scenes or something like that. So just comment down
You
below.
can already kind of see.
Maybe the house tour, not a room tour.
this stuff over here. And this over here.
Okay,
Well, you
so
can kind of see the background already.
yeah, comment down below, and I hope you liked it. Bye. Bye.